Welcome to this video. Today we'll show you how to reduce the Windows credentials for the mapped network drive. I have a mapped drive here that is automatically mounted when Windows boots. I want to change this and have it only mount when I want it to. I'll show you how. Open the Windows menu and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel and after that, click on User Accounts. Open the Credential Manager. After that, go and click on Windows Credentials. Here, find the map device and then open the drop-down menu. To remove its credentials, click on Remove. Confirm the pop-up window with Yes. Now close the manager. To complete the change, restart your computer. After the reboot, open File Explorer to confirm that the Internet drive is not mounted. Everything is fine. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our next videos. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.